and welcome to today's workshop. In today's workshop we're going to discuss the difference between the two words uninterested and disinterested. Our first word, disinterested, is used to refer to a person who is unbiased towards a situation at hand. However, our second word, uninterested, is used to refer to a person who is unconcerned or bored. We can use the example of a judge in a courtroom to describe both of these words. A judge who is disinterested is a judge who is unbiased towards the matters at hand. However, a judge who is uninterested is a judge who is unconcerned or bored. We hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. We will see you soon and keep safe.